Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix message notification sound on any iPhone. Now, first of all, just increase the volume on your iPhone. Now you can increase the volume on your iPhone by pressing the volume up button on your iPhone, or you can swipe down from the top right of the screen. Now in the control center, you can increase the volume from here. Now after you do that, now just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And from here you will find the option of focus. Now just tap and hold on focus. Now if do not disturb mode or any other focus mode is enabled on your iPhone, just tap on it to turn it off. Now after you do that, just open settings. And in settings you will find the option of sounds and haptics. Just tap on it. And from here, just increase the ringtone and alert slider from here. Now, after you increase the alert slider, just check if silent mode is enabled or not. If silent mode is enabled on your iPhone, just disable this toggle and disable silent mode on your iPhone. Now, after that, just go back and tap on notifications. Now, in notifications, you will find the option of messages. Just tap on it. And from here, you just make sure you enable allow notifications. After that, just tap on sound. Just make sure that the alert tones is not on none. If it is on none, just select any alert tone. Now after you do that, now just go to your home screen and open the messages app. Now from here, just open the contact. Then tap on the profile icon. Now if hide alerts is enabled, just disable this toggle and disable hide alerts on your iPhone. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. Now for that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now, to fix this issue, just open Settings and go to General. Now, in General, just tap on Software Update. Now, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix message notification sound on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.